reservoir open, the extra fluid. Sometimes in order to get the tires and rotors off, you're going to need a millimeter for the caliper bracket bolts. Then when you go to right there, you can use your one. It's pretty evident. You'll see these things right a bit frequently. It's stopping and backing up and starting again. The best thing that I found here, it worked pretty well, was to throw a little bit of penetrating oil on here on the outside. Let it absorb in here around the hub.